Alright, guys. I'm going to Louise and crack any sick video.
Because I'm fucking dying. I'm not dying, guys.
You've reached the
I'm not
maximum
dying.
time you can play Money Call today.
Bullshit. I'm not dying.
Holy shit, what happened? This vocal
I'm not dying. It is enough tape. Subscribing. I'm not dying. Sick. It's like it takes me weeks to recover. It's so crappy. It's
Got sick about 5 times.
What? But now I'm much better. I feel a lot. What the hell is that? Hippo loss?
It's nerve.
And die? It's like I'm already dying anyway, so what's the point?
Just go into the when he was
Core restriction.
Oh my
On
god! Skeletized $10? What?
What? This is my favorite.
Sir? 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 Are you there?
Holy shit.
Sir? 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 Are you there? And they're just gonna hang up. That's what's gonna happen. Bloody guys.
Okay, that's enough. Bye.